If you want to see how to add a terms and conditions box, a privacy policy box, and also a yes, I agree to marketing emails box to your sales page in ThriveCart when they check out, so that it is required that they check these fields and read the terms and conditions, I'm going to show you step by step how to add this to your sales page in ThriveCart. The first thing we're going to do is go to the products tab up in the top, and we are going to go to the product that we want to add this to. So I'm going to add it to this one right here, Dreamer to Profitable, hit edit. Then we're going to go to checkout. Now, if you go to browse gallery, it's going to erase everything that you have on your checkout page if you already have a live page. So we definitely don't want to do that. What you're going to do is go to customize. Sometimes you will see a launch editor button down here, so you can click that as well, but I don't see it on this one. So I'm going to go to customize, and then there's my launch editor. So I'm going to go launch editor. And here is my current sales page for my course. So I'm going to go to the bottom where I see the contact information here. And this is where we can add the custom fields for the show the terms and conditions, the opt-in box, all of that. So what we're going to do is click show terms and conditions checkbox. Then it's going to ask you to paste a URL page of your terms and conditions because it needs something that they can click on to read. So I'm going to go to my website, and all the way down at the bottom, I have terms and conditions. So I'm going to click that and then just copy it and paste it. Then I can also show an opt-in checkbox. And this is for if they are opting into email marketing. So yes, please send me email marketing emails. And then I can also add a refund policy as well. And I can add that here. I don't have a refund policy on my website. I just have a privacy policy, but you could do a page with a refund policy explaining your refund policy. So we're going to pretend that this is that policy, and then hit done. And it's going to add them here. So I'm going to hit save changes. It says my changes have been saved. So I'm going to hit next and complete. Now I'm going to hit save and get URL. Let's copy and paste the URL, and I can show you what it's going to look like. We're going to scroll down. If you want to go even deeper into ThriveCart, I have a free course that walks you through ThriveCart, setting up ThriveCart, all the ins and outs of ThriveCart. It's a over-the-shoulder type of view where you can see exactly what I'm doing click by click. And I also have modules on things like pricing a course, how to come up with your course topic, how to market a course, how to get beta testers in a course. It goes to the ins and outs of setting up a course, launching a course. And like I said, it is completely free. So definitely check it out down below in the description. And I do want to say, if you don't have ThriveCart yet, I have a link for 50% off of ThriveCart lifetime access, which is amazing about ThriveCart. There's other course platforms where you have to pay monthly or annual, but with ThriveCart, it's lifetime access. And I have a link for 50% off. I do receive a small commission if you use my link, but like I said, you get the 50% off discount for using the link, and you help support me and my family. And so I can continue creating free videos like this for you and free courses like the one down below in the description. So check it out, check out the course, and check out ThriveCart if you have not already. And here under contact information is, yes, I agree to the terms and conditions. They can click this and it's going to open up a new tab. And then also, yes, please send me marketing emails. And yes, I agree to the refund policy with the little more button that has the policy written out right there. So that is how you add the terms and conditions and all of these buttons. You can add all of them or just one of them or none of them, whichever ones you want. If you want to see how to get your sales page to end up in Google search and add the SEO to your sales page from ThriveCart, check out this video here.